So by now you should have seen avenues to widen your possibility. You've learned some basic things about divergence and lateral thinking, and you've seen how randomness and illogic enhances creativity. So are you really supposed to now just do these steps? Safety, identity, integrity, possibility, and poof! Suddenly you just have better ideas faster and easier. Well, yes. Yes, you are. That's exactly right. Here we are, halfway through, we come to the most important point of this entire process. Ideation. This is the core, the essence of being creative. This is the part everyone cares about. The core promise of free your mind from itself is getting better ideas faster and easier. By the end of this video, you will have at least one new idea about your project that will surprise you. Meanwhile, you want to know the secret to breakthrough ideation? Are you sure? You sure you're ready for this? Okay then, here we go. This is the core. This is the secret to being creative. You sure you're ready for this? Don't think. Wait, what? You're probably saying? First, this guy told me not to try to think out of the box. Now he's telling me not to think at all? That's right. The genesis of innovative ideas comes from putting in the work up front to prepare your mind with information, data, perspectives, and techniques. Then, let go. Surrender. You already experienced this many times by now in freewriting. Remember, the key there to releasing your subconscious to do its job comes from not thinking. Thinking is not the source of ideas. Thinking is the killer, the crusher, the strangler, the Jack the Ripper of ideas. Because thinking comes from wherever we are. The reason we don't get enough ideas, or enough good ideas, or the ideas we want, why we get stuck, is not from not thinking well enough. It's from thinking too much. In fact, thinking at all. And once you stop thinking, you become an idea machine. And why do we say creative thinking? That's referring to the whole process. There's lots of thinking in the process, and you've gone through all of it. Putting a safe space in place, identifying your landscape of boxes, tearing down, demolishing, hopefully even obliterating your addiction to that landscape. Unlearning and relearning. Rebuilding your identity from scratch as you see fit. Who you are, who your project is, what the world is. Doing exercises to get your mind ready and fit to crank out new ideas. Taking a moment or a day or more to incubate. And now I am telling you the key is to stop thinking? That's right. The cycle of incubation, ideation, and marination is kind of like a roller coaster where ideation is the bottom of the fall. Close your eyes or open them. Hold your hands up or keep them in your lap. It doesn't matter at all. Just stop thinking and let the ideas come. Watch them come or don't. Write them down or not. Just don't get in their way. Here they come. Let them fly. They might not make sense yet. Some might never make sense to you. Don't try to make sense of them. Just let them come. Don't be selfish. Don't be scared. They're not yours. You're just inviting them. Just let them come. And don't judge. Deciding is for next week. For now, for once, just have fun. Oh, did I mention this? Don't think. Don't judge. Don't try to make decisions. Now let these new ideas marinate. The next video will tell you how. For now, enjoy your new ideas. Most importantly of all, I'll tell you this one more time. Ready?